When you choose something, it should be only because you're interested in reading it. On your worst day, can you pick up your optional and can you read it? My youngest student is 11 years old. You know what that means? Somebody started preparing 10 years before you. Make a timetable which is realistic, possible to follow and stick to it. Today morning, if you're having GS exam, कितने घंटे का है? GS1 paper 3 hours. शाम को GS2. Next day GS3, then GS4. In 48 hours, you would have wrote 1000 marks.
Now, we have for public administration, Nikhil Ram sir. Now he has come all the way from Bangalore to interact with you people. So, sir, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. How many of you are feeling sleepy? झूठ बोलना इतना जल्दी सीख लिया. Great. So coming to your optional subject. All the senior faculties have already said this. When you choose something, it should be only because you're interested in reading it. On your worst day. You have best days. Some days you wake up and you're like, okay, today I will do 14 hours and you may end up doing 15. The next day, maybe, suddenly you opened Instagram and you found that the guy who scored lesser marks than you in engineering or the one who copied your paper and submitted the assignment, he's settled in USA and you're surrounded by Gandhi and Nehru. All right. Or your ex has already had a second child. Both are boys and both are not named after you. Okay. Then you will go into even more chand se jo toote koi sapna. Background music starts and you go into that mode. So, or even more better. मालूम है शर्मा जी के बेटे आज क्या कर रहे हैं? I mean, sorry to all the Sharma surnamed people here, but with all due respect, शर्मा जी के बेटे क्या कर रहे हो? वर्ल्ड कप जीत. हाँ यार, वो वाला बेटा अलग है. So the point here is, every day you're compared with one or the other individual. It is not easy with UPSC. You compare yourself, or you would have set such high benchmarks for yourself, or you would have thought you will make it great in life, etc., etc. But sometimes that is not the case. So when you end up comparing yourself with another person, what happens is your preparation is affected. And what you do on your worst day matters, not on your best day. On your worst day, can you pick up your optional and can you read it? Why your optional alone? And I'm not talking about any GS subject that is worth 500 marks. 500 marks means you should put that level of investment, because if you score anywhere between 50 to 60% in your optional paper, the chances that you're there in the top 50 ranks is extremely high. So make it very clear, this is a subject which you have to pick up every day. You have to read it. I know you're having GS class in the morning, you'll have CSAT also pretty soon. So you're having around 3 to 4 classes, you're not getting time to read anything. I don't care. My youngest student is 11 years old. 11. You know what that means? Somebody started preparing 10 years before you. You're going to give your attempt next year, but somebody started preparing 10 years before you. Why? Because Indian parents are crazy. That is the only logic. There is no other logic to it. The biggest life-threatening question that I faced during 11 years was, Bhagwan, aaj to bat pakadne do. That was the only life-threatening question. Not that you had to prepare for UPSC or sit in a class. So this is the level of competition. So when the level of competition is that level high, you should prepare also that level. And motivation will only take you so far. What will really take you ahead is discipline. Make a timetable which is realistic, possible to follow and stick to it. Realistic, when I say, it should be something where you should be able to do it every day. How many of you are staying in PGs here or sharing rooms here? All right. How many of you are one or the other way bothered by what your roommate is doing? तुम लोग झूठ काफी बोलते हो यार. Either you people are enlightened or you people are like absolute liars. You're Indians after all. You're definitely bound to be affected by your neighbor. खुद के घर में बिजली नहीं है, पहला सवाल क्या है? पड़ोस का घर भी देखो. पड़ोस का भी नहीं है, तो फिर ठीक है. That is our general attitude. So I know people who have actually wasted their time because they were worried that their roommate is putting in 12 hours a day. 12 hours क्या कर रहा है? बस किताब खोलकर बैठ रहा है वहां पर, पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है. So effective study matters, people. Constructive, effective study. We are drowning in information while we are starving for wisdom. Keep your phones away. Whatever your ex is doing, Y is doing, it's none of your business. 3 hours, you should be able to sit in one place and do the studies. Why? Today morning, if you're having GS exam, कितने घंटे का है? GS1 paper 3 hours. शाम को GS2. Next day GS3, then GS4. In 48 hours, you would have wrote 1000 marks. 1000 marks worth answer you would have wrote. उसके बाद if I come and ask you what is your name, you will be like, I will have to refer. Because you won't remember it. You will be dead tired, mentally drained. And when toppers say, मुझे मेंस लिखने के बाद ही पता था फर्स्ट रैंक आ जाएंगे, घंटा. That is the reality. That is the reality. Because when the number comes, you're like, लग गया, हट, भगवान. That's the first reaction. But that doesn't look good on TV, right? So the newspaper, media वाले भी कहते हैं, सर आप ये कह दो, वो कह दो. फिर लगाते हैं पूरे कहानी. योजना पढ़ा था, कुरुक्षेत्र पढ़ा था, ये किया था, वो किया था. 24 घंटा ही तो है. क्या कितना ज्यादा पढ़ा? Exactly. So coming to PubAd as an optional, there are 26 chapters. If you compress it, actually it is only around 17 to 18. Second thing is, it is everything what you see in the newspaper. Practical applications of your polity. Polity, you will read Council of Ministers, Prime Minister. Here you will literally know what happens when the Council of Ministers is stronger than the PM, or if you have a very strong PM who dominates the Council of Ministers. So it's your practical understanding. PubAd, if you are choosing, choose it only because you are interested. Shakal pe mat ja. Of any faculty for that matter. Faculty बढ़िया है. काफी sexy भी है. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. You may love the faculty. That is not the reason to choose a subject. Subject इसलिए choose करो ताकि आपको उसे पढ़ने के लिए interest है. That is the only reason. Second, again, this is one thing which I have noticed again. Many PubAd students come to me telling that, sir, I am planning to take a post-graduation in public administration ताकि मेरे preparation आसान हो जाएगा. My suggestion, it won't. यूनिवर्सिटी में अभी भी इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम टीचर्स यू रट्टा मार उल्टी मार. दैट्स इट. You don't have to interlink anything. Any optional when we talk about paper 1, when you are writing paper 1 answer, you have to link it with paper 2. That is 70% paper 1 की theory लिखते वक्त, paper 2 practical example you have to put in. Paper 2 में क्या है? When the current affair question is there, you have to write it and justify it with the theory. Especially with paper 2, that is even with the sociology subject and PubAd subject, if you actually look paper 2, borderline it looks like GS subject. But you have to quote the thinker or the theory there so that it becomes an optional. That is the writing skill that you need to develop, which is not taught in universities. You want to do a post-graduation, do it only because if it is your plan B, or a plan C or a plan D or whatever it is. As a backup plan, take it up. Don't ever think that a post-graduation will help you score better marks in your optional. All right, people. How many are there, by the way, for PubAd here? All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, fine. Any further questions? We will deal with it later. Thank you, people.
Thank you, sir.